So we've got a pretty big day on the Surron today. Going to put the battery in the bike, get the van loaded up, then we're going to make a nearly 2-hour journey to go and see some other lads who also ride some Surrons, Talarias. I know one of them just picked up his Talaria yesterday. A couple of them have done some crazy upgrades to the bike. So we got a full battery, the bike is locked and loaded, all set up, so let's get it in the van. We'll start the commute to go and see these lads and hopefully have a sick day out. Start the journey right, put some fuel in the van, put some fuel in me. We're about an hour into the journey, we've got about 40 minutes till we're there, nearly in London baby. Van's doing well, just hit 194,000 miles, she's still running good. Catch you up when we're there. We just pulled up at the location, got the bike in the back, just waiting for the boys, got some fresh gloves, obviously had to go for the black and orange to match with the bike. I think it's a good match if you ask me. We've even got the electric bolts for the electric bike. So wait for the boys and we'll get riding. So we're out here with the boys. We've got Stingy Roger in front of us and we've got e-bike part shop behind us. He's on the fresh e-bike. Just going into a forest for a bit of a ride out. So we got two stock battery bikes, then Stingy Roger, he's got the upgraded controller, upgraded battery, so he's running a lot more power. He's going to be leading today definitely because I'm a noob around here. The power of that bike seems absolutely insane. The way you can just throw it up like that. So yeah, we had a long journey to get here, but it's all paid off. Finally getting on a ride now. I'm buzzing to be out with some other riders. This place definitely looking like it's going to be the place to ride. So already I'm loving this place. It's absolutely spot on for Surrons. Stingy Roger is a lucky fella that he lives near here and he can just come and rip it whenever he likes. And in the next video or two, we have got a custom part that was made by the guy in front of us. We will be putting that on the bike and showing you what he does. I will be putting a link to his e-bike store on the parts he makes in this video as well. So you can take a look at what products he's been up to designing and making and see what he's selling. But yeah, we will be putting on a custom part that he's made specifically for us in one of the future videos. This place is mad. So I honestly have no idea how big this place is, but it seems like it's absolutely huge. Again, Stingy's gone off in the distance, but this is literally the most ideal place to come for a ride. If it was more local to me, I would be here all the time. But I don't quite fancy the 2-hour drive once a week to come and ride, unfortunately. And how do we think the new gloves are looking with the bike? I'm a massive fan. They're only cheap as well. Killer gloves. Again, going to try and keep it on eco mode a bit so we're not rinsing through my battery. I'd like today to last as long as it possibly could. We know that Stingy's going to have no problem with his battery. He rode here for 4 miles before even getting here, and he still probably has more range than we'll ever have. The e-bike part shop, he actually had to get a lift here because he's got a stock battery like me, so he didn't want to rinse his battery before he even got here, which is fair enough.
Battery at 96. You've still got 96%.
That's 93, that's decent to be fair. I've been trying to use eco as well to conserve it a bit.
Really?
Yeah. I turned regen off as well though. So I'm in sport mode trying to keep up with Stingy, and I bet he's not even anywhere near full power. I was full throttle in it then. The power of his bike is absolutely crazy.
Oh, I know where we are now, yeah.
That's one way of doing it.
You got a minute? I went, no, we don't. Sorry, mate. Didn't go on. No, they're not police. They're just constables. They just tell you that you're not allowed to ride here. You must leave. They don't have any authority. They just
Well, it soon turns into an interesting one when you're running from people that you don't want to be seeing. I don't think they were actual feds, I think they were just basically forest rangers, let's call them. But we'll see. I bet they're going to come looking for us. Right, so we're going to have a go on the Talaria, the stock Talaria for a start. Then we're going to be going on Stingy Rogers upgraded. This is definitely going to be a different experience. Feel free to go on the Surron as well. This is definitely different to the Surron. Massively different. The bars feel a lot, well, nowhere near as wide. The brakes are nice though. It's definitely got a lot of acceleration in it. It feels a lot smoother than a Surron as well. Yeah, it's very strange compared to the Surron. I like it though. Like the brakes feel considerably nice as well, seeing as you were fucking around with them this morning. Yeah, the back brake.
Shimano lever with a Magura caliper, meant to be really strong, but that was my old setup.
That's how you used to ride.
Yeah, I didn't really get along with it.
But that's alright, like it's got a lot of pull in it and that. So what I've got to do, just flick the key.
Turn the key, and then press the start button.
Whenever, or?
Yep, now.
That's it, we're away. We'll take it easy for a start. I don't want to go ripping his bike and oh, I see what he means by it's different to the Surron. Wow. So the throttle feels a bit stiffer, but it kicks so much power. It's a shame that I won't be able to get sort of loads of speed up in here. But yeah, you can definitely feel the increase on the acceleration. It's not an instant thing, but it definitely kicks. That is insane. Like low end, it's not like instant, but then once you start going up, it really kicks in. Then
15, 20.
That's so mad.
Take it on the pavement on the road there if you want to try the actual speed of it.
I'll be alright for now. I'll have a go a bit later when we've outrun the old patrollers. I'll have a quick go up there again though and turn around. But that's insane, mate. It feels awesome. It's that top end. That feels incredible. It really kicks out. Whoa. I see how he has so much fun on this now. That's incredible. That's insane, bro. You like it? Yeah, I really like that. I see how you can keep your wheelies so like sort of locked in now.
It's really hard to wheelie though, because I don't know if you noticed, it's got a little bit of lag on the throttle.
Yeah, ever so slightly.
So I can turn down the power and then I'm like, I can wheelie for ages.
Right.
But with that, like coming on and off of it, it's a bit unresponsive.
Right, so
my brother Surron, I'm so much better.
You can't quite put your full trust into it straight away.
What do you think of the suspension?
It's
any different?
It's pure butter. Like everything feels so smooth.
And the brakes.
On the old Surron, everything's a bit lumpy and like, you know when you've gone over things. Yeah. And the brakes are insane on that as well, mate. Like the levers feel awesome and it's instant stopping power.
I'm pleased with that. I am pleased.
It's a hell of a build.
It's not done.
Oh, no, that's the thing. It's never done though, is it?
No. Some new peg hangers coming. Peg brace. I don't know. I might change the front wheel to like an actual milk racing wheel so they match. Yeah,
matching wheels is always a good idea. So we're continuing on, dodging the forest constables and following the trails. It's a shame because everyone else seems to be really not bothered that we're here, but as soon as we saw the constables, they obviously weren't very satisfied that we were riding here, and we did have to sort of escape them, which just puts thoughts in the back of your mind that maybe they are going to get the actual police here and they're going to set up a bit of a search for you. He's going to do a full send.
Hard impact.
That's where the shot comes in handy. Mine would have bottomed out if I did that, I reckon. Oh yeah, Stingy's on it. That's one cool thing about Stingy Roger. He can spot a little line and he can see where the little bits of jumps are sticking up. Even if it's not a jump, you'll see him just flying off curbs and flying off tree roots and things. Very technical rider, I like it. Head down through that one. Right, left. So we're continuing on the missions. We're on 75% battery still, so got plenty of fun to be had. I think there's still plenty more trails to rip around on. A massive tree stump. Someone sabotaged you there, bro.
Oh, we're not recording that.
I got that. Watch out for the booby traps. I wouldn't be disappointed with the day we've had. Hopefully it's created some good content for you guys. Hopefully it's been an enjoyable watch. I've definitely enjoyed riding with Stingy Roger. Finally got to meet him. Been watching his content for a while. I'll put his link to the channel down in the description. It was awesome to meet the e-bike part shop as well. Nice to see that he got a bike yesterday, and I'm going to again plug the link to his shop down in the description, so if you do want any 3D printed Surron or Talaria part, make sure you're checking out what he makes. Makes some really good parts, and like I say, we have got a custom part coming that he did send to me, so buzzing to put that on the bike. I'm excited to show you guys what we've got. If you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure you're hitting that like button. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you've got anything you want to say about today's video, leave it down below in the comments. I'm Matt Francis signing out. Stingy Rogers also signing out, and e-bikes part shop also signing out. Peace.